Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought this great DIY for you guys, this comic envelope, and it is also made by the waste material. The comic texture is made by the waste material. So without wasting time, let's get started. This is our craft board, and obviously for the upper area I'm gonna take any printed side paper. The one side should be plain and the other side should be printed, and fold it as shown. First fold it into the half and then fold it diagonally. Until I am folding, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. To support my channel, so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys, which will be made by the waste material. And now we are having the family of 1000 subscribers. I can't believe that I made 1000 subscribers family. So on the other hand, here you can see that the folding is done, and now I am drawing the texture. I am drawing a very unique texture. It also includes the shape of heart, it also includes the shape of leaf, and it is very easy to be made. I have chosen this method of folding in my several videos. If you haven't watched those videos, so you can also check my short series and you can also check my previous videos. This folding method is very easy for everyone and it is not time taking, even it will save your time. So after folding and after drawing, cut it out. And now you can see that I am opening the foldings, and it will turn out very beautiful. You can also see the edges are of heart and the center is of flower. That's why I said that this texture is very unique. And now for the envelope side, I'm using the 20 by 20 centimeter paper. Put your paper diagonally and also put your flower diagonally. Now I'm gonna stick it with the help of glue stick. You can also use any type of adhesive to stick it. This step is very easy. I hope you guys are enjoying, so do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Simply turn it off and stick it. Tap gently with your palm. So basically this is the outer side of our envelope, and now let's start folding the envelope. This folding is also very easy. Just fold it into the half from the right side and press it with the help of your fingertips. Repeat the same process for the left side and again repeat the process for the lower side. Make sure to apply glue very gently and very properly on all over the flower, so you will not face the problem like me. This envelope was looking very beautiful because it was very unique. You can use this envelope for several purposes, like you can also put any type of notes in this envelope or any type of money in this envelope. Well, it's up to you that how you wanted to use it, but this is very easy to make. If you're not having this type of glue stick, so you can also use super glue or any other liquid glue for this purpose. And this envelope is almost going to be done. I hope you guys are enjoying this video and this process. Now just give it a final folding from the upper area. You can also use cardstock instead of computer paper or A4 size paper sheet. It's totally depends upon you that which stuff you wanted to use. I'm going to use this envelope to keep my money inside. Comment below that for which purpose you are going to use this envelope. And this is the final look of this envelope. It is almost done with a very beautiful and very fine finishing. You can also make this envelope in any other color combination. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. To support my channel, so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys. Let's meet in another video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.